new here, I am newly single after a 12-year relationship, and I am just documenting and sharing my healing journey because I know that I'm not the only broken-hearted girly scrolling through TikTok. My life cannot stop because I'm sad and because I'm heartbroken. And luckily, I can work from home. I work from social media. I work from my phone. And so that right now is not something that is a struggle for me. And I'm very aware that not everybody has the luxury that I have. I just love to come on here and check in with my girlies, see how you're doing, see how you're feeling. I want to talk to you today about something that I'm personally struggling with. Is that okay? I don't know why, but I'm having the hardest time deleting pictures and videos. It's like a part of me wants to let it go, but another part of me doesn't. Like, I am okay until I see that. Like, I don't really cry unless my memories pop up. And so obviously, like, the logical part of my brain is like, delete them. But my heart is like, no. So, and I've had multiple people tell me just delete them, and it's like, I use the excuse of like, oh, it's gonna take me forever to delete them because there's so many. It's 12 years of memories. It's like, that's just not easy to let go. And in some of the pictures and in some of the videos,